But yeah, your girl is cute. Releasing negative energy. Any negative people that crossed my way yesterday. I think I just unlocked the code. So again, this is a 13x4 HD lace frontal. This is 22 inches of body weight. I did pluck my frontal, I did bleach my knots, and I did cut layers in the front. And you guys make sure you stay to the end of the video so you can see how I achieved this look, because I don't want you to miss any of the tips and tricks that I have to show you guys. Y'all know I'm watching this movie, Who Killed Sarah? And baby, have you seen Who Killed Sarah? I'm only on the first episode, so y'all let me know. Here go my wig though. You do need to bleach your knots with this wig so it can melt. Okay, so let's get this bowl cap down. I'm trying to go for like a super slay. Super slay. Because you know, I've just been like trying to really feel myself lately, work on my confidence and all of that extra jazz. And I'm like completely out of this, so I'm using a popsicle stick. And you guys, please excuse my bracelets if this sound. I love these bracelets. Like, they're just so cute. I'm going to show you guys here. And it's not even any foundation on here. It's just residue from whenever the last time I did foundation. I washed my braids this morning, so my hair is actually wet. Because I was in the shower just letting the water run over me. I needed to wash my hair anyway, but I was feeling lazy and didn't feel like taking out my clothes. I was like, you know what? Let me just wash my hair in the shower. So I was washing, I went to rinse out the water, and I was just like, soaking it all in. Just relaxing, releasing negative energy. Any negative people that crossed my way yesterday. Thinking about what I need to do today. Thinking about money. Thinking about just the rain down on me, even though it was shower water. I was in there singing, rain down on me, rain. This is going to be lovely. So the first thing, I'm just going to hot comb everything back so that no hair gets in the glue. And I'm going to add a little foundation to the actual wig here. Same brush. I did not add more product or anything. That looks really good already. And you see here, I'm going with the shape of my hairline. Actually pull it a little bit past your hairline just to be sure. Oh my goodness, I am so in love with my hair. Like, I don't know, I feel like I'm ready to go to like a wedding or something. We might have to go out to eat. We don't even be going out to eat. We usually just eat and fix whatever, but this is so cute. Honey, these extra baby hairs is it. And then this lace is so perfect for these baby hairs. Okay, so I'm gonna do a middle part, and if I want to flip it over, I can just flip it over. You need a hot comb to flatten it to get it really flat. See, almost instantly flattens the hair. I hot comb this part back a little bit, like. Y'all had to eat me up a little lunch. Your girl got hungry, but I'm ready to curl it And this is Alfredo pasta with mushrooms. Good. Mushrooms and popping. Show you guys this how I curl. Comb out the section. You spray your heat protectant or whatever. I'm gonna pin curl this, so I'm gonna skip this front section. I hold it upside down and I curl away from my face. HD lace. Oh my god, it's lit. Look how good it looks. Nice and fluffy baby hair. Oh my. I think I just unlocked the code. See? I did this like a good 3-4 hours since I started my hair. I just been really taking my time on my hair and oh, it looks good. The layers I put in the front without even like really doing a lot. And then this pink shirt is just bouncing off of this melanin. Again, special thanks to Nadula Wigs for gifting me this HD lace wig. Click the link down below and go get you one. Okay, y'all, actually we ready to go eat because baby, I was just too cute. I was like, honey, come on, let's go out to eat. So we at PF Chang's, still gonna keep it cute. Still stay away from my red meat and pork. But yeah, your girl is cute. We waiting. And Ramon watching Netflix, but I said, let me get some of this sunlight up in here.